What's the difference?
What's the diff?
What's the difference?
What's the diff?
What's the difference?
I can't tell. Well, you ever seen this bird before? It's a downy woodpecker.
And this is a hairy woodpecker. Have you ever seen one of those before?
Can you tell the difference? Once again, the downy woodpecker.
And the hairy woodpecker.
Here we got them both side by side. Okay, the best way to tell the downy from the hairy is the size of its beak and these feathers on top of the beak, which are often more yellow.
The length of the hairy woodpecker's beak is about the length of its head. The downy's is only about the third of the length of its head.
Here we got a female hairy and a male downy.
As you can see, the hairy is bigger than the downy. The downy is the smallest woodpecker in North America.
The black stripes are called underwing coverts, and they're a good way to tell as well. So basically, we got 3 ways to tell the difference.
Beak length.
The downy's is smaller, and the hairy's about the length of its head. Size.
Downy is smaller. Hairy is larger. Tail feathers.
Downy has flecks of black on its undertail coverts.
I hope you can tell the difference now.
And for more, subscribe.